What's up? It's your guy Jamo, and I'm back with another episode of Watch Jamo Cook. Today, we're gonna make some salmon with some butter, brown sugar, and rosemary with a side of asparagus, cooked in some olive oil and some butter. Okay? This salmon right here got the skin on it. If you don't like the skin, I'm gonna show you how to get it off real easy while we're cooking it. Alright, so we're gonna start with some salt, some pepper, pat that in, go to our stove, turn to medium heat, get some olive oil, and a half a stick of butter. So let that melt down, come together. Then we're gonna throw our salmon on, skin side down. Fellas, if you want to impress your lady, you're not a great cook, this is simple and easy. I'm telling you, anybody can do it. It don't take long at all. All right, so we're gonna throw our salmon on. Like I said, skin side down. So our salmon started to change colors here at the bottom. So you know it's cooking and it's time to turn it over. But before we do that, we're gonna add our brown sugar to the top. It's gonna make a nice crust, man, like caramelized, real pretty. A little sugar start to melt up in there. All right, like that there. Take our tongs or our spatula, flip it over. Now see, so with the skin, you grab it this corner and it should come off nice and easy. If you don't mind the skin, you can leave it on. Let that brown sugar mix in. You can move it so it don't burn. And now while that's going, we're gonna take our salt and pepper and season the other side. A little salt, a little pepper, a little more brown sugar. Now we're gonna add in our rosemary. Rosemary, we're gonna throw this up in here. Move it around. Make sure your fire not too hot so it don't burn. Looking good, y'all. Smelling good. That rosemary with that brown sugar is crazy. Man, that aroma is crazy. Let that go for a second. You can see here, our salmon is almost done. You see just a little bit more pink up in there. And once that's gone, we don't flip it back over. And it's almost done. Check that out, y'all. What y'all think? Nice crust on there, caramelized from the butter and the brown sugar. It's just about done now, y'all. Quick and easy. And we're gonna put this thing here on a bed of rice. If you like brown rice, or if you like white rice, either way it don't matter. Now we're gonna make our asparagus. Olive oil. So we're gonna get our skillet nice and hot, about medium heat with the olive oil. Put the butter in last. We'll throw our asparagus in there and get a nice little char on them. All right, so our oil is nice and hot. Let's throw in our asparagus. Salt. Pepper. Get the oil get nice and coated on there. You hear that sizzle? That's what you want, because you want to get nice char on it. So you want that sizzle. Now we're going to add some butter. That's the last step, because you don't want the butter to burn. Throw the butter up in there, give it a nice toss. Get nice and coated. He's about done, y'all. See that? Got a little char on here. Get that butter around up in there. Lumber flavor, man. It's all flavor right here. Put them to the side. Let them go for a second. Soak that butter up, get nice and tender. Now we're gonna plate it up. Some of that butter from the rosemary and the brown sugar. Put on everything. Put it all over. Put it on the rice. Alright, what y'all think? We got some salmon with the rosemary and the butter, and the brown sugar on a bed of rice with the asparagus, cooked it up with some salt, pepper, and some butter and olive oil. I'm telling you fellas, this should go to right here. Quick, easy, fire, nice and tender. Some of that rice with the butter on it and the brown sugar. Asparagus. It's not overcooked, you know what I'm saying? You still got a little bite to it, a bunch of flavor with the butter, olive oil, salt and pepper. All right, y'all. Any questions? Leave them in the comments. Hit the like button, share, and subscribe. Also, hit the little bell so you'll be notified when I upload more videos, all right? See you on the next one.